Come down here. You see, now they are beginning to wake up and see who is in charge, who the real, who the real, who is the real. What do you mean by who is the real? Let me read it again. Who is in charge? Who the real? Who is the real acting prime minister is? Okay, they have seen the real acting prime minister, who the person is. If we decide so use here, that zoo agent, according to him, zoo agent, that zoo media have left their client, okay, that paid them. So Nigerian media all of a sudden refuse money to follow Oginkere for free because he is the right. I swear, if not that we have other option. Personally, I will watch anything about this movement off from my memory. These guys can. I mean, did you just hear that? Did you just hear it? All of them dishing out lie after lies after lies after lies. Then I'm gonna share this also with you. You remember I told you that this broadcast is going to be touching this and touching that. You can see I did not title it. This one said, you and your and Ngozi Oraveze are running government without budget. And then, you see why you guys are disgusting? Because you don't even have what you're asking for other people to have. Like you are living you're living in a very, very bad environment, a tattered house, or you are sleeping on that bridge. Then you're still on the bridge, sleeping there, feeding there, taking shower there on the bridge. And in that other bridge, you'll be ask somebody. You are walking as if you have a good house. You don't have a good house. You should be ashamed of yourself. You don't have a house. You on that bridge, asking another person, insulting another person for not having a house. Only a madman can do that. I'm telling you. You are okay. Maybe this my illustration may be confusing, right? Okay. You are naked, totally naked. Running, not that you are mad. I don't want to say you don't have any clothes on you. Then you don't have another person. Hi, you should be ashamed of yourself. Can't you see that you are naked? You can't even buy. You can't even afford a clothes. That's a good example. If you are smart, you should have that thing that you are asking for that people. You don't use what you don't have to insult another person. You are literally insulting yourself and telling people that you are very, very useless. Your brain is off. There's no difference between you and somebody who is running mad. Look at you. Just read what this person. And if you check the profile now, if I begin to use his name to find out who is behind this account, enough for somebody with very big beards and probably white hair, gray hair is all everywhere. Do you get it? Your name is fake, using company name. I hope you are the one. I don't want to insult another person. Yeah, you are the one. Lado Logan company. I don't know what is that. Is it pure water company? So Nigeria has been seeing his pictures. Where is this one? Okay, that's a blessing. Chuku said, okay, achievement is taking photos. So Nigeria has been seeing, and that is it. And you said this company said you and I think I have read this one before. What did he say again? Very, very, very mumulish people. Very mumulish. Now, he wants to hear his voice. You know the person already. He said just hear his own argument because people are now. He's not a celebrity simply because his friend or his enemy somehow get closer to USB. He turned to lion, but that lion is non-eating vegetable because lion normally go for hunting. But when lion begin to eat cassava leaf and eating grass, man,